This daily market update has been brought to you by Daily Wealth Report. Trading involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for you. Past performance is no guarantee or reliable indication of future results. All advice and education content is of the nature of general information only and must not in any way be construed or relied upon as legal, financial, or personal advice. Good morning, traders and investors. It is Tuesday the 5th of June, and this is your daily morning market update presented to you by Matt Brown from Daily Wealth Report. Starting off in Europe, the markets were a little mixed over there. The UK markets were closed. They were closed Monday and Tuesday, so there's no change there. We can see that that's the same candlestick activity we'd seen on the previous session in our review. And on the German DAX, however, we did see a slight downwards movement, 72 points. We can see that's gap down there, or 1.19%, whereas the French CAC 40 was actually up a mild 4 points, virtually unchanged, but showing a little bit of resilience compared to the German market. In the US markets, we had the Dow Jones down 17 points. Again, this was virtually unchanged. It's down slightly again in pre-market activity, but that selling pressure that had hit on Friday, not as strong heading into the start of the new week. Comparing that to the Standard & Poor's 500, the S&P 500, which is a broader review of stocks, it was also virtually unchanged at 0.14 points, or 0.01%, and the Nasdaq index, the technology stocks, actually gained 12.5 points, or 0.46%. Subsequently, the VIX was down slightly. It came off 54 cents, or 2%, on the fact that the markets had stabilized slightly, but the ASX 200 was hit quite heavily on Monday. It was down 78 points, down at 3985, breaking the psychological 4,000 barrier. We can see that it is now trading down the lows from November last year. And we've got SPY futures up slightly at the moment. They're up 22 points. Again, this may show some mild relief, but we'll need to see the ASX 200 firstly closing above 4,000 for the day, and if it can actually test 4,025, then that might offer some relief and some buying opportunity. But we'll need to see how the markets progress through the week. There's a lot of economic news coming out. We've got an RBA announcement today on monetary policy, so there's a lot to contend with. That's our summary for today's activity. We look forward to giving you an update again tomorrow.